Losing or breaking your personal massager's charger can be frustrating. That's why this replacement magnetic charging cable pack is a smart choice. With 2 white USB cords included, you get a reliable backup to keep your devices powered without interruption. These cables feature a strong magnetic connection that ensures easy attachment and secure charging every time. No more fumbling around or worrying about loose connections. The magnetic design makes charging simple and hassle-free, whether you're at home or on the go. Compatibility covers a range of popular devices: personal massager, dual vibrating massager, vibrating wand, mini massager, air pulsing arouser, and vibrating ring. So, no matter which device you use, this cable pack has you covered. Customers from the United States praise the value and convenience. One user called it a lifesaver for arriving quickly and including 2 cables, one for home and one for the car. Another highlighted how perfect it was as a replacement after losing the original charger, helping them get back to enjoying their device without delay. The price point makes it easy to grab a pair without breaking the bank. Having a spare cable means you won't be caught off guard if one goes missing or wears out. It's a small investment for consistent power and peace of mind. If you're tired of hunting for a lost charger or dealing with unreliable cables, this pack offers a straightforward solution. Strong magnets, broad compatibility, and 2 cables for the price of one. It's worth a look if you want to keep your personal massagers ready anytime. Try these replacement magnetic charging cables when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup. They deliver exactly what you need: dependable power, quick connection, and the convenience of a backup cable. Don't let a missing charger interrupt your moments. In short, this replacement magnetic charging cable pack is a practical, affordable way to keep your massagers charged and ready. With great reviews and solid performance, it's the reliable choice for anyone who values convenience and durability.